FDA compliance can be complex and stressful. Mountains of paperwork piling up in file folders stored in cabinets waiting to be dissected by an auditor where every little check is scrutinized. Paper-based systems can often fall short, resulting in product quality issues, costly delays, and compliance challenges. And ERP systems, which are not designed for batch record management, can be hard for staff to access and inefficient to use. Companies spend thousands on FDA compliance. What if there was a way to save time, save money, and make everything easier? What if FDA compliance could be managed with this? By doing this, and this, and when the auditor shows up, you show them this. Would your team look more like this? And your KPIs look more like this? And would you get it done like this? Process Manager EBR is electronic batch record management simplified. Let's talk about how Process Manager EBR can help you work better with FDA compliance.